Hey guys, we're here with Quartz where we'll be baking a banana white chocolate gluten-free muffin. We're here with Miguel, who can't hear, me, Ruby, who can't see, and Charlotte, who can't speak. But with Quartz, it's that easy. So come with us. Charlotte, give us that recipe, girl.
We starting? We start. We start. You want two drinks? 2 cup. 2 cup hour. Two cup of sugar, salt. You need it? 2 cup? Two cup. We have that. Flour. Two cup flour. Mix. Bowl.
Where the bowl?
This way you do. You don't bowl like that.
This way where?
Okay. 2 cup of flour. Oh, you be able to do this? Alright, stop. Shake that, hit that. Flatten it. Right, flatten it.
Task number 1. Good job, guys.
Woo! 1 spoon of sugar, a tea. 1 spoon of tea. Cup of tea, my lady. 1 teaspoon of powder. Baking powder. Alright.
1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Yeah, this was it. That's the whole there.
Afraid to dash up into the bowl.
1 Ruby girl.
I'm so afraid to fall on the bowl.
I still can't even say now. What can I go with it? We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon again. Why are you dancing at Ruby? Dance. What is that again? Use it. C-S-S-S-O. Salt? Sodium chloride? What?
Sugar.
S-O-D? Soap? S? Soda? What kind of soda? Baking soda? Dog, that took forever. What is this for soda? What half? Teaspoon or tablespoon? Salt?
This spoon.
She
Show it
say,
where?
push your finger. She say what? She want you put up your finger again. You want finger? Good. Beautiful. Next.
Pity pum.
Cup. A half cup? Good. A half cup. Paste. Butter. No, it's just the same as it was. Next. Mix.
What have to
Cup
put in
of
this?
The bowl. Put it in a small bowl. The small bowl. Peel. Banana. How much banana?
Banana.
We have 2 bananas here. Fresh from the tree. Or wherever market. She had a peel. Peel the banana. Or the bottom. That's what the monkey them does it too. That's good. Good job. Next. Mix. Mash. With what? With a hand? With a spoon? Mash. Ruby, stab it first. Okay, we getting somewhere. You missing out on the banana.
I could tell.
You getting somewhere. You getting somewhere. Alright, what next? By time. 2 E egg. 2 egg. E 2 egg. 2 egg. So you have to mash 2 egg in the banana part or in the banana bowl? Alright. Well. I like how you was working very hard.
I might as well just use my hand.
Mix the show. Butter. So throw butter. Put it in the bowl. You will put the butter in the bowl.
Maybe because mine didn't stick.
Next side. We're gonna next. S. U.
S-U.
G. Sugar. Oh my gosh. Now you let us into my direction now. You understand? Can you do it? 3 3/4. 3/4. Cup.
3 cups of sugar.
3/4 cup of sugar. Yeah. 3/4 cup of sugar. 1 cup. 1/4 cup. This is it. In here? Ooh, Ruby. Then what your hand then? So what your hand? What is that? 8 cup. Sorry, go ahead. 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. 2, 3. Sorry,
What?
I
Don't-
slipped.
What
You just
happened?
show you do your thing. Sweet thing, good for the sugar.
This is good?
Oh no, you gotta mix more.
Until it's creamy.
Until what?
It's creamy. Because you're making it like a batter.
3 minutes. Until it. Banana inside. One time. Why is she mixing it all with off? Banana then egg. While it on. Then turn it on.
Huh?
Right. Go ahead. Chew.
Uh-huh.
Chew. Raise up on first. Unlock on first.
Oh, it's smelling good.
D.A. Vanilla essence. 1 teaspoon. 3 teaspoon. 1. This smells very good in the. If we put extra, we're gonna put it tastes better. One of these is a tablespoon and one of these is a teaspoon. You choose. And then you pour whatever you feel. She said we could switch up the recipe if you want. But the essence tastes good. Very nice. Chew.
1
Yes,
teaspoon.
that's it. Okay, yes.
1 teaspoon is this one. Okay.
Right. Sorry, no, good.
4.
4.
Oh my goodness.
Good. Mix.
Hold on. I don't want it to fall out.
Quick. Go. And continue. Make it handheld. Nah.
Oh.
Mix it. Half a cup of white. Chop. Oh. Oh, see, chocolate.
Half a cup of white chocolate. In
Half the cup. Cup. Half cup. You put in half cup of chocolate chips.
where the cup?
Hold on, yeah, sorry.
Look when.
Four. Yeah, nice.
Put it in.
So that.
Oh, that was hefty.
This is really nice. This is gonna be so nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be. We made it. It's gonna be
Green
amazing.
fig muffin. Nice. Oh, right, nice. Next. Good job. She said good job.
I got a thumbs up for her.
Yeah, that's it. You see it? How much finger have I?
Okay, guys, so we're gonna put this into the oven and we'll fill the others. And when we see you next time, they'll be all ready to usume in our mouths.
Hey. I go lie?
Okay, very good. I'm not gonna lie, I had my doubts at first.
I'm saying because they put real sugar.
Yeah.
And I also put extra essence just on the side. You know?
But I feel like this is evidence
And
that
it's
the
smelling.
appliances were easy to use. And the evidence that we can work well as a team. Okay.
Nice. Hold on. Well, if I can make anything, it's making Ruby make muffin.
So if we could do this without being able to hear, without being able to see, and without being able to speak, then you could easily ace this recipe on the quartz cookup with the quartz appliances and quartz utensils. So maybe you could have such delicious muffins too.
Uh-huh.